Are you ready to transform your kitchen into a stunning space that combines style and functionality? Join us as we dive into the top decor ideas that will inspire you to create a kitchen you'll love cooking and gathering in. Let's get started. Hello everybody, and welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. Kitchens today are much more than places to cook. They've become the heart and soul of our homes. They're spaces where families gather, where creativity flourishes, and where functionality meets beautiful design. And when it comes to decor, the right choices can transform any kitchen into a warm, inviting, and inspiring place. In this video, we're exploring the top kitchen decor ideas that blend style with practicality. Whether you're planning a total remodel or just looking to refresh your space, these ideas offer a bit of something for everyone, from bold backsplashes to statement lighting and even smart storage solutions. Let's dive in and discover how you can elevate your kitchen into a space you truly love. A backsplash isn't just a functional part of the kitchen, it's a prime spot to add a splash of personality and creativity. Moving beyond the classic subway tile, today's designs bring bold patterns, colors, and textures to the forefront. Picture geometric shapes, vibrant colors, or even hand-painted tiles that bring a touch of artistry to the space. A bold backsplash creates a beautiful focal point, giving the kitchen a unique character that feels both modern and inviting. It's a simple upgrade that instantly transforms the look of any kitchen, adding depth, style, and a bit of fun to your everyday surroundings. Open shelving brings both style and practicality to the kitchen. It's a trend that blends functionality with a chance to showcase beautiful dishware, cookbooks, and even some decorative pieces. Unlike closed cabinets, open shelves create a more spacious, airy feel and make it easy to access everyday items. Whether crafted from rustic wood for a cozy touch or sleek metal for a modern edge, open shelving adapts to any style. Plus, it allows for personalization. You can change out decor and add new elements as the seasons change, making it one of the most versatile and stylish ways to elevate your kitchen. Lighting does more than brighten a kitchen, it sets the entire mood of the space. Statement lighting, like a bold pendant light or an elegant chandelier, draws attention and creates a focal point. Picture a set of pendant lights over an island or a chandelier that becomes the centerpiece above a dining nook. These lighting choices go beyond functionality, they add personality, style, and a hint of luxury to the kitchen. With options ranging from industrial shapes to mixed metals, statement lighting brings a unique layer of charm and sophistication, making the kitchen feel as inviting as it is functional. Adding a mix of textures to your kitchen can elevate its look and make the space feel more dynamic and inviting. Combining materials like smooth marble, warm wood, and sleek metals creates depth and visual interest. Imagine the contrast of polished stone countertops against rustic wooden cabinets or a metallic backsplash next to soft, matte finishes. This layering of textures not only looks sophisticated but also adds a tactile warmth that balances the kitchen's overall aesthetic. It's an approach that blends modern design with timeless comfort, making every element stand out in harmony. Integrated appliances bring a clean, streamlined look to any kitchen by blending seamlessly with the cabinetry. Picture a refrigerator or dishwasher that's hidden behind cabinet doors, creating a cohesive, minimalist aesthetic. This approach keeps the focus on the design elements of the kitchen while maintaining a clutter-free appearance. Integrated appliances are especially popular in modern and contemporary spaces, where simplicity and sophistication take center stage. Beyond just visual appeal, they make the kitchen feel larger and more organized, helping to maintain an elegant, uninterrupted flow. Bringing natural elements into the kitchen adds warmth and a touch of the outdoors. Materials like wood, stone, and greenery create a cozy, organic atmosphere that feels welcoming and timeless. Imagine the elegance of wooden cabinets paired with stone countertops or even a few potted herbs on a windowsill. Natural elements not only add beauty, but also a sense of calm, making the kitchen feel more grounded and inviting. These materials connect the space to nature, balancing the sleek lines of modern design with an earthy, relaxed vibe. Smart storage solutions are essential for creating an organized and efficient kitchen. With the right strategies, it's possible to maximize every inch of space while maintaining a clean aesthetic. Think pull-out shelves, deep drawers for pots and pans, and built-in organizers for utensils. Clever designs, like corner cabinets with lazy Susans or vertical dividers for baking sheets, enhance functionality without sacrificing style. By incorporating these smart solutions, the kitchen not only looks tidy, but also makes cooking and meal prep a breeze. It's all about creating a space that works for you, blending practicality with beautiful design. Colorful accents can breathe new life into a kitchen, adding vibrancy and personality to the space. Whether it's through brightly painted cabinetry, colorful dishware, or bold textiles, these pops of color create a cheerful atmosphere that's both inviting and fun. Consider incorporating a vibrant island or a few colorful bar stools to make a statement. Even small details, like a bright fruit bowl or colorful wall art, can significantly impact the overall feel. The key is to choose colors that resonate with your style, transforming the kitchen into a lively space that reflects your personality and makes cooking feel like a joyful experience. Functional islands are a game changer in kitchen design, offering additional workspace, storage, and seating all in one. A well-designed island can serve multiple purposes. Think of it as a prep area for cooking, a casual dining spot, or even a homework station for the kids. Adding features like built-in storage, a sink, or even a cooktop can enhance its usability. Choose materials and finishes that complement the rest of the kitchen while making the island a standout piece. With the right island, the kitchen becomes not just a cooking space, but a multifunctional hub that brings family and friends together. Unique hardware is a subtle yet powerful way to elevate the design of your kitchen. The right knobs and pulls can add character and flair, transforming ordinary cabinets into standout features. Opt for vintage-inspired brass handles for a touch of elegance, or sleek matte black pulls for a modern look. Decorative hinges and custom fixtures can also make a statement, showcasing personal style while enhancing functionality. These details may seem small, but they play a crucial role in tying together the overall design, giving your kitchen a polished and intentional feel. Remember, it's the finishing touches that often make the biggest impact. Farmhouse touches bring a sense of warmth and nostalgia to kitchen design, creating a cozy atmosphere that feels both inviting and homey. Incorporating elements like reclaimed wood, vintage accessories, and farmhouse sinks can add rustic charm. Think about open shelving displaying mason jars or antique dishware, and soft textiles like linen curtains or a woven rug to enhance the cozy vibe. These touches evoke a simpler way of life, blending functionality with a warm aesthetic. A farmhouse-style kitchen is not just about looks, it's about creating a space that feels lived in and loved, making it perfect for family gatherings and casual meals. Personal touches are what truly make a kitchen feel like home. Adding elements that reflect your personality, interests, and memories can transform a functional space into a cherished gathering spot. Consider displaying family photos in stylish frames, hanging artwork that resonates with you, or incorporating souvenirs from travels. You might also add a chalkboard wall for jotting down notes or recipes, or a dedicated area for displaying seasonal decor. These unique details tell your story, making the kitchen not just a place for cooking, but a space filled with love, laughter, and lasting memories. After all, it's the personal touches that turn a house into a home. As we wrap up this exploration of top kitchen decor ideas, it's clear that transforming your kitchen doesn't have to be a daunting task. From bold backsplashes and open shelving to smart storage solutions and personal touches, each element plays a vital role in creating a space that's not only functional but also reflects your style and personality. Whether you're embarking on a full renovation or simply looking to refresh your current space, remember that the key is to find a balance that works for you. So, embrace your creativity and have fun with it. Thank you for joining us on this journey through kitchen decor ideas, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HD Interiors for more inspiration on making your home truly yours.